Dear students, before going to the actual solution of the problem, let us recall a very important property of the determinant, that when the value of a determinant is 0, first if all the elements of any row or column are 0, or second if any two rows or columns have same elements. Now let us come to the solution of the actual problem. इस प्रॉब्लम को हम लोग दो केस में सॉल्व करते हैं. केस फर्स्ट, a very beautiful property of cube root of unity is that the value of omega power n is 1 whenever the exponent n is a multiple of 3, that is n equals to 3k, where k is any integer. This will make every element of the determinant same, that is 1. As a result of which the value of the determinant will be 0. Now let us come to the second case. If n is not a multiple of 3, then we can again use a very beautiful property of cube root of unity is that 1 plus omega power n plus omega power 2n equals to 0. तो इस प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करने के लिए डिटरमिनेंट की कोई भी दो रो या कॉलम को तीसरे रो या कॉलम में ऐड किया जा सकता है. Suppose if we add column 1 and 2 to column 3, what will have 1 omega power n, omega power 2n, omega power n, omega power 2n 1 plus omega power n plus omega power 2n The use of the above property will make every element of the column third 0, as a result of which the value of the determinant will again be 0. So what we saw that in both the cases the value of the determinant is 0, which is present in option number D.